Hello guys, welcome back. It's LEGO City Fan 1994 and tonight we're doing a review of the LEGO City Set number 60223, the Harvester Transport. So, first off, we have the truck driver here. Right here, this guy is the guy who transports the harvester, the incumbent harvester, which is right there. He has he has a he has a light blue undershirt and a dark red overshirt with with um kind of like a brownish tan beige pants color. And then next guy we have green overalls and a red plaid undershirt and a red cap. And one of the most interesting accessories we get is we get a scarecrow right here. He's holding a pitchfork and wearing a straw hat, and really nice looking scarecrow. Nothing too interesting here at the back. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the truck and trailer. This this is the vehicle that transports the carbon harvester. And here's the roof right here. The one on top says here transport. There's a PN and a V8, and the license plate is really down here at the bottom. This is kind of like a kind of looks like a next. This truck looks like a next generation vehicle. You can see it looks like kind of a little futuristic, a little more futuristic there. And here the cab of the truck pops open. Right here, there's the interior of the vehicle. A coffee cup. Oh. Okay, you can seat the driver in the cab right there, and just close it up. And there you go. And here is we get to the trailer part now. You can connect this to the truck right here, and there's a pin right here. You can hook it up, and there. And here, this is a flatbed trailer. You get a little bit of a low boy with ramps that go up and down. And here's the hook. Also, here are hooks that you can put there. The common harvester's cutter or whatever it's called. It goes on here, and you can drive the carbon up, and then you can park it right there. Now this here hooks up to this part right here. You can see, and it locks it up. There's one of these right there. It hooks up like that, and you move these hands up like that, as like so. Okay, well, now moving on to the combine, the tractor. Oops. Okay. Okay, the tractor here is this is a smaller version. This tractor combine harvester is the smaller version of the 7636 combine harvester. We got way back in 2009. It is pretty cuter, smaller, while the other one's much larger. And yes, yeah. So that's the last time we got one. And this part here is removable, and therefore you just so you can see the minifigure in here, like so. See the minifigure in here, and then you can put it back up in here, and there you go. And also you got this piece, which is used to cut the grain. This is what it used to harvest the grain, the crops, and you can attach that there to that hook. And these go up and down. Same thing on the other side. And this can go up as well. And lower this down. And this goes. And all four of these things on here spins. And you can push the harvester, and it can be done. And here
this pipe here is also used to dump all the harvested crops into a truck or something like that, and then and this can go this can back and forth. This goes up and down. And here at the back is 3,000. Right here on the roof cap as well. And okay. And when you're done harvesting, you kind of like to, like I said earlier, this is where you hook up your equipment right there. Pull that back up. Okay, good and shake it back out. And then you can drive the tractor right there. Oops. Right there, and then attach that up back there. Like so. And then these go back up. Okay. Alright, guys. Well. Okay. I guess that's it, guys. That's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. We got the 60223 Harvester Transport. It was $30. Retails for 358 pieces. It contains 2 minifigures. Alright, so this is all you get. Alright, that's it. That's all you get. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.